Yo, what's going on? What's going on, YouTube? I'm over here right now. I had to change the gasket on my oil cooler on my 1999 Freightliner. You see right there? I had to make sure I got to do a little more sand in here, and I want to take out that heating plug. I want to put the new one there before I put everything back on. But it was leaking here, under here. I just hit it with a wire brush right here. This is what I hit it with, you know. And I was expecting the gaskets. The gaskets is pretty good right there, you know. And I got to clean that up more. I end up having to take the turbo off, you know. Besides that, this is my little workshop right here. I want to end up purchasing me a 20-foot container so I can work out of. All right, so here you go right here. This is my turbo right here. So now what I gotta do when I go home, I gotta make sure I get the new gaskets. I gotta replace the gaskets here, gaskets on the back side, and I gotta put all this stuff back on too. So this is part of the turbo here. This is the whole air duct system right here, except that old energy juice can, and this old pipe right here. I gotta make sure I clean all this up pretty good right here. So all this gotta get cleaned up before I put everything back on. Then I gotta go home and make sure I want to replace this gasket right here, that O-ring. See, the O-ring right there need to be replaced, but I'm gonna take care of that though. Soon as I go back, so I come back here tomorrow. I know it's 4th of July, but when you own your own truck, this is what you had to do. And I had to dump all this antifreeze out. But you see how dirty that antifreeze look? I'm gonna replace all that with new. This time we'll put red in there. I might just stay with grain because I don't think I got all of it out. I think I got about 8 gallons. I don't think I got all of it out. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and fill this up in a minute. But right now, this is my little work area. I bought this container off my boss. So, and this right here is the oil cooler. I gotta let it sit here and let it run out. I gotta clean all that up too with a wire brush. Make sure I get all that clean. And I'm trying to let it run out here because it was leaking from the gasket. I gotta make sure I clean all this out, clean all that dirt off, and make sure that get flushed out of there. I was thinking about taking it home and hitting it with some water, but I don't know if that's gonna be safe. I don't know. Might be able to ask somebody first, but I had to make sure I clean all that up. That's why I'm trying to let it drip out before I put it back in the container and take my butt home. All right, so it's a quick little video of what I'm doing back here. I thought I heard a bear back here or something. I don't know, I heard something back here moving. I don't know what the hell it was. I don't know if it was the container moving or what. But they say it's a turtle back here or something. I don't know. All right. There's the back of the container right here. I'll put my name on there. Trucker_Quill. Gonna go on the back of that. DIY. All right, so I gotta finish letting that dry. I might leave it overnight and just let it drain out. I don't know. But it's draining though. All right. This is what I'm doing. I gotta make sure I finish this up though. Definitely got to be finished tomorrow. I got the O-ring inside the truck that got to be replaced. It was just the O-ring. So what I want to do, I want to hit it with the wire brush a little more here, clean that up, and I got to get some more brake cleaning spray. All right. Got more videos coming though. I got to make sure I get the rest of the studs. See, they come out here. What the hell was that? I don't know what that was. Maybe that was the oil cooler that moved. Whoa, 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 whoa. Got bees out here. I think the oil cooler moved. Yeah, it slid to the side. Flies killing me right now. All right, so quick little 5-minute video on what I'm doing on the 4th of July. I had to make sure I take my tools and everything down. I don't want to leave nothing in the truck. All right. All right, there we go. I think I might help me right there. I'll jump on the bike and get my ass home in a minute. Oh, man. And really wasn't a hard job. You know, just to take this off, you need a 15 and a 13-inch, 15-inch wrench, 15 millimeter and a 13 millimeter or ½ inch. And it does the job. But like I said, I got to take this out right here. I want to take that out and put the new one in. I got to get in the truck, see if I can find it. Find the new one real quick. But that's why I ain't got my car with me right now. I'm on a motorcycle, so I need to run to Walmart so I can get some oil. I need some, no, not no oil. Yeah, I probably need some oil too. I got to check the oil, make sure the oil levels are right. Because what happened was it kept leaking. You see all the way down there? All that down there? It just kept leaking everywhere. And after I got the truck washed, see that where it's caked up at? It just kept leaking. You see that on the back of the shop? You see right there? The air canister, the air tank, it kept spraying backwards. I got tired of that, man. Because what's going to happen is, if you get stopped by DOT and they keep seeing that oil down there, they could definitely put you out of service. They'll keep giving you a warning, and you could keep paying bills, and you're going to get hit with CSS scores. They're going to give you points for that. So I got to make sure. I could have went to the shop, but this is the crazy part. I called the mechanic. The mechanic told me about $625 to do the job. I went to KW and gave him my, this is not a KW though, I gave him the part number because it's a cat motor, and they was able to get me the gasket. The gasket was $2.47. $2.47, but if I'd have let the shop do it, they would have charged me every bit, like he told me, $625. So, I ain't had that kind of money to do all that. But this is what I'm doing right now, you know. Well, all y'all out there enjoying y'all 4th of July, I'm out here right now working on my tractor. Like I said, I gotta make sure I get this oil cooler back in the truck, but I gotta make sure I clean it up. So I'm trying to let all the oil run out on the bottom here. It's in the dirt, so I gotta let all this stuff run out before I clean everything up. Once I get everything cleaned up, then I'll put everything back on. Let me set this here so it can sit up. I don't think it's gonna rain. I might let it sit out overnight, but I don't know. Now, if you want to see more videos like this, go to my other channel. Trucker_Quill DIY. I do a lot of videos like this. A lot of these videos. Like I said, right, this is my little workshop right here. My little 20-foot container I got off my boss. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put a metal wall unit back here, metal rack back here, so I could put everything up on the shelf. I'm gonna put an air tank in here. I'm gonna put a generator in here, a compressor in here. Then, before the end of the year, I have tires, brakes, drums. I have tractor parts and everything. It's my little workshop, because I got tired of working outside. In the wintertime, it get cold as hell. So, at least with this, I can be able to put my lights up on the ceiling right here. LED lights on the ceiling. And I'm gonna put my generator probably on top of the roof right here. I might end up putting a cover, or when I'm done using it, put it back in here. I don't know if I want to be able to smell the gas, but I'm gonna put the generator somewhere in here. Both doors do open. So, y'all wanna know what a container is. And it's a container right here. Both doors open. Kind of like my shop away from home right now, but I got it parked at the yard right now. Right now it's the start. Because I don't have a garage at home. If I had a garage at home, I pretty much be doing it at home, but I can't get my tractor home. I own the tractor. The truck is mine. So I've been owner operator now for the last 13 years. Going on 14 years, I've been owner operator. Owning my own truck. So most of the work I do myself, because these shops be killing you, man. They kill you. So I'll be back up running by Monday. I'm just about to shut it down, jump on this bike, and get up out of here. I need to run over here real quick anyway. I think somebody in the yard. I think I hear somebody in the yard anyway. Yeah, I think somebody here. Nah, I appreciate the support I get from the family on YouTube. With a lot of y'all that be watching, I be trying to keep it 100. You know, I know I get a lot of haters and people don't like what I do, but it is what it is. You know, like I said, the guy character is subject to me. I'm trying to see who in the yard because I don't want them to end up locking the gate and I get stuck in here. So I think I hear somebody moving around. Yeah, somebody in here. Oh, I think that's, who that, Tony or Mike? Whew. Yeah, that's for those who want to know what J Quill do. J Quill is the owner operator. Like if you see all these trucks right here, these trucks on this front line right here that I'm pointing at, these are owner operators. Then all the way down towards the end, but the green truck and the burgundy and KW, those are company trucks. I gotta go over here and check on this damn bike real quick. Like if you see back here, all of those are company trucks. That green one back there in the corner, I think that's a 78, 76, I think it's 78 though. Yeah, I think I left my keys in here. Nah, ain't no here too tough. Yeah, that's what I'm doing right now on the 4th. You know, it's right here. This ain't nothing but a, believe it or not, this is a 1997 Suzuki 600 GSSR. Ain't a fast bike, but it do what it do. You know, I need to hurry up and get my ass up out of here and get home. But this is what I'm doing on the 4th of July. Trying to make sure my truck get up and running. So I'm about to shut everything down in a minute and get my ass up out of here. But I don't see, I don't know, I think it's Mike. Like I said, I appreciate the support from the YouTube fam up on here. All right, so what I'm about to do is I'm about to get off this, wrap everything up, get home, come back out here tomorrow and finish it all. So, salute, enjoy y'all 4th, and I'll hit y'all up tomorrow, or maybe on tonight, might do another video up on this. All right, talk to y'all later.